know that honeybees have been used in warfare since antiquity? The Romans used to drop hives of bees on invading armies, and catapults were used in 16th century Europe to launch hives at enemy fortresses. More recently, beeswax has been used to coat ammunition. Some claim that honeybee populations declined severely in the late Roman Empire due to their extensive use in war. The price of beeswax soared temporarily across the world during the Vietnam War, as the US government were purchasing most of it to coat their explosives. Did you know that honeybees sometimes forage on mushrooms and mycelium to obtain medicinal and nutritional value from them? Not only does this prove that honeybees know how to self-medicate, but it also has been useful in combating modern viruses such as deformed wing virus. While the ancient Mesopotamians generally preferred date juice to sweeten their foods, they also used honey. One popular dish contained a mixture of flour, milk and honey. Sometimes honey was used for medicinal purposes. A cough mixture was devised made of beer, herbs and honey, and other times it formed parts of religious ceremonies.